Week 6 is complete. I ran on the treadmill today and I didn't really have much of a long run. It was 3 miles according to my run schedule, but I got on the treadmill because it's snowing out and the ground was definitely slick in spots and I didn't want to take a chance, so I just ran on the treadmill. Even though it was a short run, it's like maybe almost 30 degrees. I think it was like 28 that my phone said. So I said, oh, I'll just be safe, hop on the treadmill, which is what I do a lot of times when the weather is not too great or ideal for running. This week total, I had about, I want to say like almost 9 miles. It was a little bit less than last week, which was I think like around 11. That usually happens with my running schedule. If one week is longer miles, the next week is usually a little bit shorter, just to help my body recover an additional with a little bit less mileage. And that's it for this week. Still did my strength training Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I did switch the order of my strength training. I did legs on Monday and Wednesday instead of Wednesday and Friday, which I usually do. So I want to see how that works out. Just tiredness wise with my legs and doing the extra hill work. Just want to see if I am able to get a little stronger with my hill work if I switch up those leg days. So we'll see how that works out. Until next week.